Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Yesterday I gave you exercise D. Write two clothing items that you like to wear in the three seasons are given in the book. First one summer season, second winter season, and third rainy season. I think you have completed it. Today I will start chapter number 7, the last exercises which are extra exercise in your book. Now, so open your book and notebook. Look at the page number 49 in your book. Class first, PVS, lesson 7, clothes, date 10/9/2020. Unless these are two drill exercise and extra exercise in your book, but I give you as homework for you. Challenge. चैलेंज मीन्स ऐसे जनरली होता है चुनौती, बट challenge here is only one exercise which of the following clothes can be worn all the year round. Which of the following clothes can be worn all the year round? निम्नलिखित में से कौन से वस्त्र पूरे वर्ष भर पहने जाते हैं? There are three options. A, sweater, B, raincoat, and C is jeans. So the correct answer is jeans. We wear jeans all the year round because sweater are worn in winters, raincoat we worn in rainy season. Now the last exercise of this chapter is life skill. I make it as question answer. Question. This is very long question, but answer is not so much long. Don't afraid. Taking care of clothes is not an easy task. कपड़ों की देखभाल करना एक सामान्य कार्य नहीं है. वॉशिंग dirty clothes and keeping clean clothes at the right place takes a lot of effort. In most households, mothers do all these jobs. Who maintains clothes at your home? Should you also offer some help? So now right answer. Taking care of clothes is not an easy task. कपड़ों की देखभाल करना कोई आसान कार्य नहीं है. Washing dirty clothes and keeping clean clothes at the right place takes a lot of effort. गंदे कपड़ों को साफ करना, धुलना और उन्हें सही स्थान पर रखने में काफ़ी परिश्रम होता है. In most households, mother do all these jobs. ज़्यादातर घरों में माँ इस कार्य को करती हैं. Who maintains clothes at your home? तुम्हारे घर पर कपड़ों की देखभाल कौन करता है? Should you also offer some help? क्या तुम भी उनकी मदद इस कार्य में करते हो? So now answer is I write yes, my mother does my mother maintains this is and maintains clothes at my at my home. home. We should we should also help. We should also offer offer him him some help. This is your correct answer is, now this answer is yes, my mother maintains clothes at my home. हाँ, मेरी माँ मेरे घर पर कपड़ों की देखभाल करती हैं. वी शुड ऑल्सो ऑफर हिम सम हेल्प. हमें भी उनको कुछ सहायता करना चाहिए. So these are two exercise. You write this exercise in your notebook and learn it. Now write homework. EVS homework. My marker is right. Write challenge and question answer of lesson 7 in notebook and learn it. This is your today's TVS mobile video. Thank you.